In this video, we'll be comparing two popular coffee machines, KRUPS Calvi Steam and Pump Compact Espresso Machine and ICUIRE Espresso Coffee Machine. We'll evaluate them in several categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. So let's get started. Both KRUPS and ICUIRE offer high pressure for improved flavor extraction, but ICUIRE takes the lead with its 20-bar pump pressure that extracts golden rich crema for your coffee. KRUPS offers a 15-bar pump pressure and a compact thermoblock system for rapid preheating. ICUIRE offers a powerful steam wand to make delicate milk foam for your favorite cappuccino, while KRUPS features an integrated steam nozzle to prepare creamy cappuccinos. However, the effectiveness of the steam wand makes ICUIRE better in this category. KRUPS offers a manual selection to control the in-cup result, while ICUIRE allows you to customize espresso volume to enjoy balanced and delicious espresso according to your taste. ICUIRE takes the edge in this category. KRUPS has a 1L capacity removable water tank for easy filling, while ICUIRE offers a 1.5L 50 ounces coffee machine that allows you to brew multiple cups of espresso coffees without refilling. ICUIRE wins in this category as well. KRUPS is priced at $149, while ICUIRE is priced at $139, making ICUIRE the more affordable option. However, the price difference may not be significant enough to be the deciding factor for all buyers. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons like this.